Okay, 8th grade, here is your long-term coding project for STEAM this year. Since we can't do our typical project, we are going to use a site called codehs, and you can click the link or type it into your browser. You're going to click Login. You're going to choose your Google account. There might be a couple other prompts when you're signing up, but once you log in, you should see the course that I've provided you with. It's called the Internet. It's a coding course. What you are going to be responsible for in this course is, if I can show you. Aha. Okay, I'm going to click on mine so you can see it. When the course opens, you have this pretest. That will be the first thing you're doing. All these circles will turn this teal color as you finish them. And then when you get into the web design unit, which is the 14 lessons where we're going to be responsible for, the movies and the activities turn teal, and the exercises that you have to perform coding in turn green. Also, one thing to show you as you're setting up your account, I'm going to go into this first lesson just so you can get familiar with it. And when you're in an actual lesson, how it looks. One thing you're wanting to do, I'm going to show you a few features. This black color is absolutely how I love to have my browser. Yours will start off white. So to fix this, there's a couple settings you need to fix to make your account more user-friendly. Hitting that little gear, one thing you're going to turn off is these parentheses will be turned on. You want to turn that button off. So switch that one off. You're also going to want to work with the theme. This Monakai is the one that makes it black. It's the easiest to see on, and it's perfect. When you type your code into the exercise, you're going to click Run. You'll see your code appear over here. You'll go next door to Test Cases. Test Cases, you'll check your code. You're looking to have all green lights for doing what the exercise said. If you forget what the exercise said to do, you can always go to the assignment button right here to look at what the assignment wanted you to do. The Docs button has all kinds of helpful notes and how to do some of the code. So if you forget how to do something, it will show you some notes on that section and some helpful hints. Grade is where I'll be using, so you don't have to look at that. The More button, one of the good things in here is you can upload images. If you're looking to upload an image from the internet, you can use the Upload button. Also, the other good one on here is History. In case you do too much to this code and you're like, oh my gosh, how do I get it back? I messed up all the stuff they gave me. You can go to the History and reset your code, and it says Restore to Starter Code. And you can go backwards in time to the starter code and how the lesson started. So that's a helpful device too. But again, Run and checking code are pretty much essential ones. And then, like I said, turn off the parentheses and change your theme to Monakai. You can also change your font size if you like to see it bigger. That's fine too. And then you can also change the output. But I would definitely change the two things I said to change. You can even run. I don't have any code there, so it's not running. To see what that looked like. But if you need any help, feel free to ask. There's a quiz and video for each lesson, but I am more than willing to help on anything you need. Okay, and each lesson also has some practice exercises where you don't have to do really anything. You're just allowed to look at their code, explore the example. This will give you hints for how your code should look on the next screen. Often I say refer to the exercises in the lesson to help you with your code when you have to type. Okay, and this is just a basic summary of what you're doing in your CodeHS account. And again, when you look at your course, my section, remember we're working on that pretest and then the internet web design unit. So you'll have this pretest and then you are working on the one called web design, that unit. And these should be teal and green. Yellow means that I did not, you can check what they mean. Yellow means that I've started it, but I've not completed it. Green means I submitted it. Blue means I've finalized it. So teal and green are the colors you're looking for. And at the final, this will be 4 different grades for you at the end of our 25 days. Okay. So in any of your downtime, when we finish lessons early, this is where you should be headed. Have a great day.